Hi, I'm Emma. I'll be taking you on a tour of our warehouse today. We'll get an insider's look at the different areas and ultimately what sets us apart from the rest.
We're going to start in our kitting area today. Here we have 25,000 square feet to utilize in any way you may need it.
Do you have a massive relabeling project? We'll set that up here. Are you launching a full pallet display into retail? We'll set that up here too. The open space allows us to customize it to support the unique needs of any project. And fun fact, during COVID, we used this area to assemble greater than 13 million test kits.
This is one of our shoe fulfillment areas in our 225,000 square foot facility. There's a lot to point out here. Let's start with our commitment to sustainability.
We've installed big-ass fans. Yes, they're really called big-ass fans.
These fans regulate airflow, maintaining comfortable temperatures year-round.
We've also implemented energy-efficient LED lighting with motion sensors to reduce energy consumption. Let's talk about our storage options.
Small bin is about 1 cubic foot of space, perfect for things like stickers, tools, samples, and marketing materials. A medium sled is used for items that don't require a full pallet but need more than just a small bin. The standard pallet location is the classic 40x48 storage solution with a maximum height of 55 inches.
As you continue walking, you'll notice we use both standard aisle space and very narrow aisles. This mix helps maximize storage capacity. B&A also requires the use of special equipment that can navigate through the narrow aisles and pull product down from each side. We run a paperless fulfillment process. KSP Warehouse leads assign tasks to our picking team via an RF device or via Locus robots. When picking via RF, the associate is routed to a location to pick the first item. At the location, they scan the barcode as a QC step. After confirming, they pick the product and scan the SKU for a second QC check. Once the order is complete, it is sent to shipping, and our transportation management system selects the designated carrier or the most cost-effective option based on size, weight, and destination. When picking via bots, associates are stationed in picking zones. The bots first travel to the SKU location, where the associate picks the item and places it into a bin. The bot continues moving until the order is complete, then sends it to shipping.
That concludes our warehouse tour. We hope this gave you insight into how we operate and what makes us unique.
If you'd like to learn more, reach out. We'd love to partner with you.